are in Nixon, Missouri at the Springfield Marine Company. Tell us a little bit about what this is.
Just a whole bunch of boxes that I grouped together just to keep stuff organized. These two are just laying on the table. I try to keep my staplers together, staples, box cutters.
So what was it like before?
It was just laying all over the table. And
So you didn't like that. Why didn't you like that?
Well, we're 4 people that work in the station, and we wanted everybody to grab what they needed right away.
So you go. Perfect.
That's right.
That's awesome. Awesome job, Nancy. Also, there's several tools that everyone's made because they didn't have anything. First off, there's the hammers made out of trash. Then we're gonna just scrap them out. And someone said, you know what? Let's make a hammer out of it. This even has an adjustable locking ring. You want to make the handle longer or shorter. That's really neat. These are done. We got Juan here. Juan, tell me about what's going on. Pop the center of the part out.
The center.
All right.
And then we're gonna turn on this way. Use this little piece of pin that we cut from the scrap and a hammer to pop out that bushing.
And how did you used to do this?
Before?
Yeah.
Well, we used the press.
So you had to use a punch press before.
The line I'm working.
And now you guys took what was scrap, we're going to be trashed, and we made a tool that easily got it out. Perfect. Well, great. Thanks, Juan. What you couldn't close these by hand.
Yes.
So
that's what we use this little tool
So you made that, or did you buy that?
to pop.
Oh, so you made they made
we
this
make
tool
that one too.
to punch the buttons on the clamshells because it was annoying.
2 different size. Small one and the big one.
For more
Sometimes
pressure.
With more pressure.
Perfect. Thanks. Awesome.